Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam hurricane centerpiece. So what you're going to need some of this bling wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. And you're going to need some of these table number stands or table number holders. And they are also from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this floral diamond wrap. This is from Efavormart. And I have some white pearlized beads here. Also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these glass hurricanes. You'll also need one of these round mirrors. And I have some foam board here from Dollar Tree that I've cut to the same size as the mirror, so I just use the mirror to trace the shape out. And it comes on a very large board, but since I have some scrap here, I'm going to be using that first. And I have some peel and stick gemstones. They are from Walmart. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. But if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that you need in order to complete this beautiful centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam candle holder centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. It is really super versatile. You could use it with a flameless candle, and you can take the hurricane sleeve out of it, or you could use it with a actual candle and just keep that glass hurricane in for protection. But it's really very versatile. Let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.